guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm finding what will happen when I put the eggs in the vinegar. Let's do it. First we need 2 equal amounts of vinegar. Second we need 2 eggs. Third we need 1 food color. You can use any food color you want. Let's do experiment now. And add 1 food color in 1 glass. Then mix it. Then put the eggs in the vinegar. Let's do another one. And I'll put it in the refrigerator. Let's wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I took the eggs from the refrigerator. And let's see the eggs now. Do you observe anything? I observed one. Outside of the eggs, it got bubbles. See? Here, see? That's the bubbles. And let's see the eggs again. One. Two. And let's clean the eggs now. After cleaning the eggs look like this. This egg is in the plain vinegar one. This egg is in the color vinegar one. Did you observe anything? I observed something. It's so bouncy and the eggshell melted. I can't see the eggshell. Yeah, I can see the eggshell, right? And you can't throw it. You can't throw it higher. You can throw it low, like this. And I found that when I put the egg in the vinegar, the egg shell dissolves in the vinegar. The experiment is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye.